Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can control our Android device hands-free. Okay, to control our Android device hands-free, we have to activate the voice access feature on our setting. So first of all, we can go to our settings application on our Android phone, and we're gonna scroll down until we find the accessibility setting. Tap on the setting, and you're gonna tap on the interaction and dexterity. Okay, and here we can activate the voice access feature. Tap on voice access and you can activate it by clicking on this toggle button, and you can read the instruction or the description right here, and you can click on allow. Okay, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you how we can use this voice access feature. I'm going to give a command to my phone. So we can go to the notification panel, then we can click on this option, tap to start. Okay. Open settings. Go home. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can control our Android device hands-free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.